The blockchain landscape is rapidly maturing, shifting focus from speculative hype to tangible utility and robust infrastructure. In this evolving market, two distinct projects, Cardano and Internet Computer, are pursuing ambitious goals in the critical sectors of decentralized finance, DeFi, and artificial intelligence, AI. This analysis explores their strategies, technological approaches, and market positioning to understand who is better positioned to lead the next wave of blockchain innovation. The current market demands real-world applications and scalable solutions. Investors, developers, and analysts are scrutinizing projects based on their ability to deliver functional products, not just white papers and roadmaps. This era marks a critical turning point for the industry. Cardano and Internet Computer represent two fundamentally different architectural philosophies. Their approaches to interoperability, computation, and application hosting highlight the diverse paths blockchains are taking to achieve mass adoption and utility. Understanding these differences is key to evaluating their market potential. Internet Computer made a significant market statement in early 2025 with the unveiling of Caffeine AI. This framework represents a pioneering effort to run AI models and computations entirely on-chain. This contrasts sharply with most blockchain projects that rely on off-chain services or centralized APIs for AI integration. Caffeine AI leverages Internet Computer's unique architecture, which allows smart contracts, called canisters, to perform complex computations and serve web content directly. This capability enables the entire AI application stack, front-end, back-end, and computation, to reside immutably on the blockchain. This was a major technical and market differentiator, demonstrated at the World Computer Summit. This isn't merely a technical feat, it's a strategic market play positioning ICP as a foundational layer for decentralized AI. For AI developers, it offers a censorship-resistant, tamper-proof environment for deploying models and applications. For investors and analysts, it opens up a new market segment within crypto, truly decentralized AI infrastructure. Weeks after ICP's AI announcement, Cardano revealed its own significant strategic shift. Input-Output Global, IOG, announced support for Bitcoin ordinals and native Bitcoin DeFi via a bridge built on BitVMX. This protocol utilizes the Bit virtual machine paradigm to enable interoperability. Announced at the Bitcoin 2025 conference, this move aims to integrate the vast liquidity and user base of the Bitcoin ecosystem with Cardano's platform. It represents a departure for Cardano, which has historically focused on its internal ecosystem and avoided complex bridges to other major chains like Ethereum or Solana. This pivot is a clear market response to the growing demand for Bitcoin-native DeFi. By tapping into Bitcoin's network, Cardano seeks to unlock new use cases and attract significant capital. However, this strategy places Cardano in direct competition with projects, including Internet Computer, that have already established a presence in the Bitcoin DeFi space. The core difference lies in their underlying architecture and compute capabilities. Traditional blockchains, including Cardano, primarily function as distributed ledgers executing simple smart contract logic. Complex applications, or cross-chain interactions, often require off-chain components or centralized bridges. Internet Computer, designed as a world computer, allows its canisters to run full applications and perform complex computations natively. This enables direct interaction with other blockchains without relying on traditional, often vulnerable, bridge designs. This architectural choice has profound implications for scalability, security, and functionality. This fundamental difference impacts their market strategies. Cardano is building bridges to connect its existing ecosystem to others. Internet Computer is positioning itself as a universal compute layer that can natively interact across multiple chains, effectively becoming the bridge itself. Market metrics provide crucial insights into the health and adoption of these ecosystems. Cardano's total value locked (TVL) in DeFi stands around $311 million, a figure that has seen fluctuations despite a generally bullish market. While respectable, it trails behind major DeFi ecosystems. Cardano's staking participation, historically a strong point, has shown signs of decline. This metric is often seen by analysts as an indicator of network engagement and long-term holder confidence. A decrease could signal shifting priorities among ADA holders. In contrast, Internet Computer has demonstrated strong conviction among its holders. Long-term staking, locking ICP for 8 years or more, has risen significantly, now accounting for 43.5% of the total supply. This level of commitment suggests deep belief in the project's long-term vision and technology. Internet Computer's Omnity platform provides a compelling case study in native cross-chain functionality. It offers a full Bitcoin-native DeFi suite that operates entirely on-chain, without requiring wrapped assets or centralized custodians. This is achieved through chain key cryptography. Chain key cryptography allows ICP nodes to collectively sign transactions on other blockchains using a single public key. This enables ICP canisters to directly interact with Bitcoin wallets and execute transactions natively. This eliminates the security risks associated with traditional bridges, which are frequent targets for exploits. While Cardano is celebrating its first successful Bitcoin ordinal bridge via BitVMX, Internet Computer's Omnity is already processing significant transaction volume. Omnity supports native interaction with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Sui, Dogecoin, Toncoin, and others through its Chain Fusion stack. This multi-chain capability positions ICP as a central hub for cross-chain liquidity. Caffeine AI is not just a concept, it's a working framework demonstrated live. Developers can use it to build and deploy entire applications, including complex AI models, directly onto the Internet Computer blockchain. This eliminates the need for traditional cloud hosting, servers, and associated infrastructure costs and dependencies. For AI developers, this offers unprecedented decentralization and censorship resistance for their applications. For investors and analysts, it represents a potential disruption to the cloud computing market and a new frontier for decentralized applications. This contrasts with many other AI crypto projects that focus on data marketplaces or off-chain AI orchestration. Consider the Artificial Superintelligence (ASI) Alliance, SingularityNet, Ocean Protocol, Fetch AI. While promising, it has yet to deliver a unified, working on-chain AI product over a year after its formation. Internet Computer's Caffeine AI, by contrast, is a tangible, functional framework available now. Some projects are recognizing the strategic advantage of integrating with Internet Computer's compute layer, rather than trying to replicate its capabilities. Hedera, for example, is integrating ICP's technology to power its own AI ambitions. This suggests a market trend towards collaboration for specialized infrastructure. Cardano might benefit from considering similar integrations. While building its own Bitcoin bridge is a significant step, leveraging existing, proven cross-chain compute infrastructure, like Internet Computer's Chain Fusion, could accelerate its DeFi ambitions and reduce development overhead and security risks. The market often rewards speed and efficiency. Internet Computer's focus on infrastructure-grade compute positions it differently from many layer ones. It's not primarily focused on being a platform for meme coins or simple DeFi swaps, although it supports those. Its core value proposition is providing a decentralized cloud for running complex applications, AI, and native cross-chain interactions. Internet Computer's Omnity platform, despite being relatively new, is showing promising market traction. It has processed over $58 million in transaction volume and holds more than $34 million in TVL. These are real, verifiable on-chain statistics, not projections. This demonstrates actual usage and liquidity flow. Many of Cardano's DeFi protocols, while functional within the Cardano ecosystem, remain largely isolated. Without robust, secure cross-chain capabilities, liquidity is fragmented, limiting growth potential and market reach. The success of Cardano's Bitcoin bridge will be crucial in overcoming this limitation. For DeFi investors and crypto analysts, the key metrics to watch are TVL, transaction volume, user adoption, and the security track record of cross-chain solutions. Internet Computer's native approach via chain key cryptography offers a different risk profile compared to traditional bridge models. Institutional investors and sophisticated market participants are increasingly focused on execution and tangible products. Narratives and roadmaps are important, but they are secondary to working technology and demonstrable market traction. Internet Computer's delivery of on-chain AI and native cross-chain DeFi aligns with this market demand. Cardano's pivot to Bitcoin DeFi is a strategic necessity to remain competitive. Its success will depend on the security and efficiency of its BitVMX bridge and its ability to attract significant liquidity. The market will be closely watching its progress, compared to established native solutions like Omnity. Cardano still has the potential to play a significant role, particularly if it can successfully integrate with other ecosystems and potentially leverage specialized infrastructure like Internet Computer's compute layer for certain functions. However, the pace of innovation in the market is accelerating. The blockchain market is entering a phase where utility, scalability, and security are paramount. Internet Computer, with its unique architecture enabling on-chain AI and native cross-chain compute, has demonstrated significant execution in these areas. Its Caffeine AI framework and Omnity platform are live, functional products addressing key market needs. Cardano's strategic move into Bitcoin DeFi is a critical step, but it enters a space where others have already built and gained traction. Its success hinges on the performance and security of its new interoperability solutions. The market will ultimately favor the platforms that can deliver the most robust, secure, and functional infrastructure for the next generation of decentralized applications. For blockchain enthusiasts, DeFi investors, AI developers, and crypto analysts, this market dynamic presents a fascinating case study. It highlights the importance of understanding underlying technology, evaluating execution track records, and analyzing market metrics beyond just price. Dive deeper into the technical documentation, analyze the on-chain data for both projects, and assess which architectural approach is truly built for the future of decentralized utility.